Hello and welcome students of Europe Hotel School. Opening a brand new hotel is, without a doubt, one of the most exciting challenges in our entire industry. But, long before that first guest ever checks in, there's this massive, almost hidden effort that makes it all possible. So in this explainer, we're going to pull back that curtain and really dig into one of the most critical processes you'll ever manage in your career: hotel procurement. So, where do we start? Well, first, we're going to uncover the hidden logistics behind every single hotel. Then, we'll get really specific and define the crucial difference between FF&E and OS&E. After that, we'll dive headfirst into what I call the global sourcing game, and finally, we'll learn how to master that final load-in for a flawless opening. All right, let's kick things off. To start, I want to completely reframe how you think about a hotel. It's so easy to just see the beautiful, finished building, right? But the real challenge is understanding the incredible scale of the logistical puzzle that brought it to life. A hotel is so much more than just bricks and mortar. It is a massive, massive logistical challenge. Think about it like a symphony. You have thousands of individual items, everything from beds to teaspoons, and each one has to arrive at the right place, at the right time, all playing their part in perfect harmony for the whole project to succeed. Okay, so how on earth do you manage an inventory that complex? Well, it all starts with two key acronyms that are going to be absolutely fundamental to your careers: FF&E and OS&E. Let's break them down. First up, we've got FF&E. Now that stands for Furniture, Fixtures, and Equipment. The easiest way to think about these are as the hard items, the major, more permanent pieces that really define the physical space and create that all-important guest experience. We're talking about things like the beds, all the case goods, the sofas, and of course those stunning statement chandeliers in the lobby. And next is OS&E, which stands for Operating Supplies and Equipment. Now these are what we call the soft items. They cover the countless supplies and all the little bits of equipment needed to actually operate the hotel from day one. This covers everything from bed linens and towels to all the glassware in the bar and every single teaspoon in the restaurant. So this really shows you that fundamental difference. The FF&E provides the hotel's bones, its whole aesthetic. Those are your long-term assets. But the OS&E, well, that's the lifeblood. It's the daily necessities that empower your team to actually deliver amazing service. And as a manager, you have to master both. But just understanding these categories, that's only the start. Now we're going to explore the high-stakes game of actually getting these items from a supplier anywhere in the world to your hotel. Welcome to Section 3, the global sourcing game.
And believe me, it truly is a high-stakes game. A lot of the items that give a hotel its unique character, especially that custom FF&E, are made all over the world. And this introduces some really complex variables, like manufacturing lead times and international quality control that you, as the manager, are completely responsible for.
Just think about the journey of a single custom chair. From the second that purchase order is placed, you have to manage the manufacturing lead time, then international shipping, then the totally unpredictable customs process, and finally its arrival at a local warehouse. A delay at any one of these steps can completely derail your entire schedule. So, after navigating this whole global supply chain, everything, and I mean everything, comes down to the final, most critical phase: the load-in. This is where perfect synchronization and on-site strategy become your whole world. This question gets right to the heart of the challenge in this final phase. The answer, of course, is chaos. Total chaos. You simply can't have delivery trucks lining up while the construction site isn't even ready for them. Your procurement schedule has to be perfectly synchronized with the construction schedule to avoid damage, delays, and a whole lot of frustration. So what's the professional solution to this timing puzzle? It's the staging warehouse. This is an absolutely essential tool. It's a nearby, off-site facility where all of your items are received, unboxed, inspected for damage, checked against the purchase order, and stored safely. It basically becomes your command center, allowing you to move items into the hotel floor by floor, room by room, exactly when you need them. And this is exactly why every single detail matters so much. One mistake, just one wrong chair, can start a domino effect, jeopardizing the entire project. It can literally take months to fix an order from overseas, which could delay your opening and cost the owner a fortune in lost revenue. The stakes are just incredibly high.
Now, this brings us to a really key strategic skill. This is what separates the good managers from the truly great ones in this field. It's this constant balancing act. How do you deliver that five-star luxury finish that the brand and the guests expect without completely destroying the pre-opening budget?
The answer lies in a process called value engineering. Now, I want to be very clear, this is not about being cheap. It is a methodical, very intelligent process of finding alternative materials or different manufacturing methods that provide the exact same look, feel, and durability, but at a more efficient cost. It's how you protect both the design vision and the bottom line.
So in the end, mastering the procurement of both FF&E and OS&E is exactly what ensures you achieve all of these critical business objectives. It's how you deliver a successful hotel opening on time, on budget, and fully equipped to welcome those guests and start generating revenue from the very first day.
So I'll leave you with this challenge. Picture it. It's your own grand opening. The date is set, the press is invited. What is the one item that keeps you up at night? The one thing that if it went wrong could derail absolutely everything. Identifying that weak link and planning for it, well, that's the difference between a successful opening and a costly disaster. And that is the true art of mastering procurement.